Nestled at the edge of the Wielkopolska National Park in Gmina Mosina, Poland, this 250 square meter residence by Studio GAB is designed to balance family living with a strong connection to nature. Built on a long, narrow site bordering the forest, the house was shaped by the need for a generous program while maximizing natural light. Instead of a single, large volume, the architects divided the home into 3 overlapping forms that blend naturally into the surrounding landscape. Approaching the property, the relationship between architecture and site becomes immediately apparent. Many of the existing trees were preserved, allowing the house to sit comfortably within the woodland setting. A detached carport creates a buffer from the street and forms a semi-private entrance courtyard, where tall pines frame the arrival experience and strengthen the connection to the forest. The entrance is discreetly positioned around a corner and marked by a copper-clad door. Inside, a long gray brick wall guides movement through the home while housing the fireplace and chimney. The ground floor is organized around the owner's daily needs, including a flexible study that can serve as a guest room and a primary bedroom, placed deeper within the plan for greater privacy. Further inside, the main living area is divided into 2 connected zones. The kitchen and dining area occupy a slightly lower volume, creating a more intimate atmosphere and reflecting the owner's passion for cooking through the use of oak cabinetry, quartzite surfaces, and durable brick flooring. Beyond it, the living room opens directly to the garden, establishing a seamless relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces. Natural light is carefully introduced through strategically placed windows, varied ceiling heights, and an open staircase. A gray brick fireplace anchors the living room, while a deep window seat offers views toward the garden. Materiality plays an important role in defining the character of the house. Oak flooring and clinker tiles create warmth and durability throughout the interior, while the exterior is clad in Scandinavian spruce treated with natural wood tar. Combined with renewable energy systems, including a ground source heat pump and photovoltaic panels, the design offers a thoughtful example of a contemporary home that responds sensitively to both its occupants and its natural environment.